Here we have a 1950s Jigsaw puzzle. It's a gold seal. Whitman. A 500 piece. It's from the Warfield collection, On the Boulevard by J.E. Warfield. Real nice. It's out of series number 517, I do believe. Yes, 517. Puzzle's in real good shape. The box a little bit tattered and place where it had some tape at one time. Corner looks like that. Other than that, pretty good shape. Gold seal, Whitman. Series 517. J.E. Warfield, On the Boulevard is the name of the puzzle. Scroll cut, it says. Like I said, puzzle's real good. Box is a little bit rough. Thank you.